Hey guys, it's me again, and I was here with a little Seesaw how-to. I had some questions about how I could create Seesaw if I had multiple different classes or if I'm in charge of one section and my partner is in charge of the other. So what I did here was I went ahead and I created two different courses, Math with Miss K and Reading with Miss J, to show what it would look like if I created two different classes, and so I have two different sections. If I click math, I go to my math class and I can see everything here and add. And if I wanted to add my co-teacher, so I can manage teachers, I can add my co-teacher at my email and send them the link. Or if they're having trouble getting it, I can just generate an invite link for them. So that right there is the very first solution. Everybody gets into the classroom, both teachers are in charge. Now let's say that I want to create both of these. I am Miss K and my partner is Miss J, and we both want to keep them split and separated because that's just what's going to be easier for us. However, our kids are mixed up. So how do I make sure that my kids all come see me and then all of her kids go see her? So when I click the student link and I generate my QR code or my link, this is what I'm going to give to my kids right here. I can either post this in my Blooms or Class Dojo or however I'm communicating with my parents and the kids can scan it from their device, or I can give them this code and they can type it in. So I'm going to cut right now to how a student would be able to use this. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is download the Seesaw app, and then when you open it up, you're going to click that you are a student. When you do that, we can see where I can scan with my camera with the QR code, or I can enter my text code. So I'm going to scan in and I'm going to see my name and sign in and say that this is me. I can now see everything that has to do with reading with Miss J. I can see the other students in my class and I can see the assignments that are there. Now, when I need to change classes, I'm going to click my name up here in test and I'm going to click sign out. I have to sign out and sign all the way back in with Miss K's math in order for me to get to her class. So that is the only issue, is I have to click sign out every time I want to switch back and forth between the two classes. Now, I do have one final choice. I can click I'm a student and I can use sign in with my Google email. I can get what my login is from my teacher and sign in that way to see both classes. So as you can see, there are three very easy options. The first being that you create a co-teacher so that you two work together in one classroom with all of your kids. You have your children sign in and out to go to each classroom by providing them with the QR code that they can get back in and out with. Or you let them do the same login, but you provide them with their Garland ISD email and password. They log in the very first time and they don't need to log in again, but with young kids, that could be a lot. So think about which one of the three options is best for you and your partner and students.